Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on nowiknow channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you what to do if Snapchat pin conversation is not working. So let's get started. Well, here I'm on my Snapchat account. Now tap on chat icon. Here, for example, if I want to pin this person, make a long press on the person you want to pin. Then tap on chat settings. Here, a list of options will appear. Now, to pin this person, tap on Pin Conversation. So, if you pin someone on Snapchat, it will make him at the top of your chat. For example, if he was your best friend or something like that. Now, in case you want to unpin this person, simply make a long press on it. Then tap on Chat Settings again. Then simply tap on Unpin Conversation. Here, in case this option is not working or you don't have this option, then swipe down from the top corner of your screen. Then tap on the gear icon to go to settings. After that, scroll all the way down and tap on apps option. Then manage apps. Now look for Snapchat. Then tap on clear data. Then clear cache. Now confirm. So by doing this, reinstall the app and you'll have a clean and fresh version, and it doesn't remove any of your conversation. And this is it. This is what to do if Snapchat pin conversation is not working. Thanks for watching. See ya.